Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, I hope you guys are doing well. And today, I really didn't have a whole lot planned other than my intentions of speaking to you. But I decided, you know what? I think today is good as any to go ahead and reveal the winner for the last giveaway. And so I'm going to do that. And then I will start another giveaway. And before I do that, you know what I have to do. Yep. Affirmation time. But before we do, here's a little commercial break. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Had to stick that in there because I didn't put my intro in for a couple of videos, and I decided, you know what? Somebody told me they really like the music and that gets them really upbeat. So I said, let me stick a commercial break in there for them. So anyway, before I reveal the winner for the last giveaway, which is last week's giveaway, right? Yeah. I will go ahead and do our affirmations. And today I haven't done this card in a long time, but this is the She Believed She Could So She Did box. And this is really important. And you know, I just got off the phone with a very dear friend of mine. And matter of fact, it's one of the Wildflowers. And the last I heard from her is that she's on her way to the hospital. She's not doing well. And it's been a few days, and she watches my videos every single day. And she always comments, and you know, we have a little conversation back and forth, and I hadn't heard from her, and I have been praying for the days going by, you know, praying to God to please let her be okay, please give her complete healing. And then she called me actually, and I just got off the phone with her. She is in a hospital, but she's got good spirits, and it just, you know, I was just so happy to hear from her, because I said matter of fact, to my coworker just today, you know, she knew something was wrong, and I kind of, you know, I told her, well, I'm kind of worried. I'm really worried about, you know, one of the subscribers who's one of the beautiful Wildflowers, but more than that, she's a dear friend. And, you know, I'm really worried because last I heard she wasn't feeling well, and I haven't heard from her, and this is so unlike her. And I'm going to give her until tomorrow to get in touch with me, because she's got my phone number, and if not, I'm going to have to reach out. And I really don't like bothering people. So I said, well, let me give her a few days. Maybe she's just getting over a cold or something. But I did get a phone call from her. And, you know, I just thank God that my prayers were answered. And she's doing okay. And she's on a road to recovery. So, yeah. So I'm really happy about that. And so anyway, let's do a card and see what comes up here. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, this is a small print. There it is. It's a pretty purple orchidy type of card, but let me put on my glasses real quick. I'm not going to be able to see this. Okay, it says, there is no greater gift you can give or receive than to honor your calling. It is why you were born and how you become most truly alive. And it's by Oprah Winfrey. This is very timely. Let me say that again. There is no greater gift you can give or receive than to honor your calling. It is why you were born and how you become most truly alive. And Oprah, that is so true and so timely, because, you know, I feel like I was put on the earth to help others. And, you know, at first I thought it was, you know, by being a nurse, caring for people that are sick. But, you know, I think I was put here more than that. And that's to really reach out and let people know that somebody cares about them. I care about them. And this just, you know, this is just so timely, because, you know, the conversation, I just told you what happened, right? And I feel like, you know, I felt so good to hear her voice and to know that she's okay. And that is my calling, you know, that I need to make sure everybody's okay. And this is just a little bit more suitable because I talked to you guys about creating my own affirmations. And I got about 10 of them. I have a notebook, and I actually wrote one specifically for my coworker because, you know, sometimes she struggles with things, and, you know, I know her pretty good. And so I wrote her one, and she was very thankful. And I just want to know that I helped. and that my words will make a difference in somebody's life. And I can't touch every individual person, unfortunately, in a world, but maybe, you know, God will send my message out to those who are most in need. And I was put on this earth for that. And I truly believe that. And also, you know, I'm really looking forward to creating, and then just some of the things that I wrote down, it just flows out of me, and out of left field sometimes I'm like, oh, where did that come from? And I'm also writing down what circumstances was I in at this moment, so that way when I translate it into a card, I can actually put that information in a back that's, you know, like these are blank in a back, but you know, the information, the actual affirmation in front, and what was I doing? What was I thinking? What was the circumstances that I individually was in when these words came to me and came to my heart, and I wrote down. And also, I'm kind of glad that, you know, I got the call from my beautiful Wildflower, because I think I mentioned that, you know, one of the beautiful Wildflowers is an artist, and I would love to reach out to them to see if she would be interested in, you know, doing the art for me, because I've seen her work, and I think she's a beautiful artist, and I think she would be okay to do that and kind of partner on it, you know, on a deck of cards. So I'm hoping that, you know, sometime in the near future, you know, not tomorrow, I only have 10 of them. So I need at least 50 cards in order to make it, you know, something. So I'm hoping that I can get those together in the near future, and we can work on a project together and do something fun, and both of us give back, because she is a very giving soul as well, and I'm really looking forward to it. And one thing she said to me today is she can't wait to meet me face to face, and, you know, ditto, right? So yeah, that's that. So yeah, let me say this again, because I really like this, and I want you guys to think out there, what is your calling? And, you know, don't look at the surface. I mean, look underneath, because it might be something you don't even realize what your calling is yet. And like, I thought it was me caring for sick people in a hospital or in a care situation, but it's more than that. So dig deep and see what your gift is, and that's when you will come alive, because I truly believe that there is no greater gift you can give or receive than to honor your calling. It is why you were born and how you become most truly alive. Thank you, Oprah. Very, very good words. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Okay, so I will go ahead. Anyway, I will go ahead and start another giveaway, and let's use the word believe. The word is believe, okay? BELIEVE. Please do not put in the comments that believe is the secret word. Enter me. Don't do that. Just please write it into a sentence. I don't care how you use the word, as long as you use the word believe. Okay? And also remember, these giveaways are not sponsored, and everything that you're getting from my hard-earned dollars, and there is no involvement with any of the social media networks or any YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Nobody sponsors this, so it is coming directly from me. Okay, so you guys know that. And remember, it is open to everybody, as long as you use the word believe, and you have to be subscribed publicly so I can find you, and also like this video. I think that's about it for the rules, right? Yeah. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply the same thing. Is I will give you a choice. Do you want skincare? Do you want makeup? Do you want hair care? Nail care? You know, and but go ahead and once you win it, what you can do is when I reach out to you and say you're the winner, and you send me your address, then tell me what you would be interested in. And if at all possible, guys, please, when you see the winner, don't use their name. Don't say congratulations so-and-so, because once they see the name, people that are, you know, that didn't win may not watch the video, and that would really help me out if people are actually watching the videos, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful Wildflowers, I'm going to go ahead and start the giveaway after this video. Use the word believe in this video, and I will pick the winner at some random time next week. And the reason why I'm not giving you exact date is because of my move, and I don't know when I'm going to do it. Like today, I didn't know I was going to pick, you know, the winner that used the word choice from the last video, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and insert the winner here, and I'm gonna say congratulations ahead of time and say congratulations in that little clip, because I'm gonna go ahead and end this piece and then insert the other second half. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope I added value to you, and if so, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please do subscribe by hitting the bell button, select all, so that way you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, good night, good week, or good weekend. And it doesn't matter when you're watching this. I just want you to remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I did go ahead and put the link in already. And so that way I can be ready for that. This was from the 26th of August Chic Beauty Box giveaway. And what I also did was I did choose 4 filtered duplicate users, since you all have the same amount of chances. And I did filter comments based on a specific text, and the word was choice. And so let's go ahead and see how many comments we got with the word choice. Okay, there are amount of unique comments is 35. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so let's just go ahead, and that's pretty much a lot for, you know, a surprise giveaway, so a hidden giveaway. So let's hit the button and see who is the lucky winner. Life of Lois. Okay, what does she say? She said, good morning. I love to have a choice when I get my boxes. Have a blessed day. Okay, Lois. So let's just go ahead and do the one thing we have to do, which is to check to see that if you are subscribed to me publicly. And I can see already by the looks from her channel that she does have all her subscriptions public. And I'm going to have to really speed this part up, guys, because I think Lois is going to have a lot of people that she watches. I'm just moving it along, but I have actually looked through it myself already, and so I'm just speeding this part up for you guys. And there's a little bit of a glitchiness here. Sorry about that. Okay, and we're going to go through this whole list, and I believe this whole list I sped it up by 800%. So I mean, it was a very long list, guys. So let's see. Do I see me? Okay, I had to reverse and go back the other way as well, because I didn't see me. But I know Lois has been subscribed to me, so I'm hoping that YouTube didn't knock her off. There's one more place actually that I can check for that, and that's by going to my studio, and then it'll tell me if she is subscribed there. And this is the extra step that I actually do go through with all of the giveaways. If I don't see you subscribe to me on your channel, because that's the little glitchy part of YouTube. And so if it's in one of the other places, it's okay. So what I need to do is go back to the video, and let me just go ahead and select the comments and check the comments. Okay, I have to remove my filter so I get all my comments. And you know, the first time I went through, I went right by her comments, so I had to actually reverse myself and find her comments. So here we go, and here it is. That's the comment we talked about. And you see this little red folder, it says publicly subscribed to you for 4 months and allows everyone to see their subscriptions. So Lois, you have met the requirements, and please do reach out to me. My email is at the end of this description, and email me and let me know what it is that you're interested in. Again, Lois, congratulations, and I'll be looking forward to seeing your email. Have a good day.